Ciao a tutti, I'm Amantea and I'm the Chief Design Officer for Automobili Pininfarina. Automobili Pininfarina has the dream and the goal to become the most luxurious and the pinnacle luxurious brand in the world. Starting with the automotive, we are trying to create a community that connect ultra high network client, and then we can recreate a new era for the future of luxury. We throw a challenge to the students to recreate and think about a vehicle, a mobility object that can represent the future of luxury in the Automobili Pininfarina flair. By mixing the retrofuturistic feeling that is part of our DNA, and we try to replicate something that is unique and something that can create a status symbol. Of course, the client are the core of our value, so think about definitely a luxurious object that can represent a one-off or a bespoke vehicle for our client. I really believe that Piedmont and Turin especially has a long tradition and heritage of automotive culture, and we have the best schools ever, and IAAD is definitely one of the top of them. Talking with a colleague that now is working at IAAD, it was a sort of natural occasion to share this vibe that only young designer can provide, and then we try to accomplish something special. And here today we were working together to make it happen. I must admit that all groups that participate on this transportation master was extremely good. We throw them a huge challenge and we treat them professionally, not like a student, but like a colleague that they're working in my studio. All of them create an amazing storytelling and a great concept. Definitely they were really close to each other, but if I have to name one project that I really admire for the overall representation is definitely self-expression team. Representing the luxury and at the same time representing the luxury market in the Automobili Pininfarina way, it's something extremely complex. Just because we have to preserve the heritage of Pininfarina, we have to do the best with the less, and this is extremely complicated. Automobili Pininfarina redefine a DNA in order to have a proper personality that we call retrofuturism. Retrofuturism means respecting a lot the heritage, but definitely create something contemporary and modern. It was a great challenge, but the students showcase effort, passion, motivation that indicate that IAAD is curating great talent. Definitely this is for them, it's a starting point, it's not a point of arrive, but we were extremely happy to see how at least they try to compete in the professional environment, and they are determined to improve. This is the best situation for a company that is looking for new talent. Luxury market, it's an extreme and difficult environment. You have to take in consideration people that are everything but not normal. They are living definitely in a different sphere. For this reason, you have to analyze and understand who is your customer, where they live, what they do, and what is missing in your life. Luxury by definition is not a need, but help to satisfy some needs for people that in the luxury is looking for more, and especially are connecting with emotion and create emotion experience. It's even sometimes more important than creating an object. Automobili Pininfarina is trying to do that. It's an overall experience, and we include our customers in an immersive design experience that of course have to create the ultimate, simply timeless car, and we are trying to do by working directly with customers. The design is really important in this market because can create a connection to the memories of our customer and can elongate the life of an object, like a car, from past to present and the future. So this is why it's really important to design the luxury market. It's a really nice question because I have to admit that new generation must be studied. Now I feel like a boomer, but it's true. Every generation has a picking point and different way to perceive the reality. Now we are in a transition. Modern generation has different needs respect than my generation. So I was really interested to understand by not give them a lot of constraint how they create an object that was perfectly fitting for the extravaganza that Automobili Pininfarina tried to represent with this beauty of imperfection and this Italian flair. But at the same time, nobody get to a car that has been properly driven for the pleasure of driving. This to me is an indication that the new generation have a different perception of the reality, different perception of the mobility. I've been studying these things since almost 2 years, and this is my priority right now to create a strategy in order to understand exactly what we should looking for defining the new luxury. And we need young talent to understand better what they need.